A building has 6,000 square meters of floor space. How many offices are there in the building? Okay, look at clue 1. Exactly 1/4 of the floor space, so 1/4 of 6,000, and that gives you 1,500 square meters, is not offices. Well, that leaves you 4,500 square meters that is office. But there's no information about to help us figure out how many offices there are. So forget about clue 1. Let's move on to clue 2. Exactly 20 executive offices, and each of these occupies 3 times as much floor space as the average for all remaining offices. So if I let X be the average floor space or area of non-executive offices, well, that means 3 times that. 3 times is the area of each executive office. 3 times as big, or 3 times as much floor space. So that doesn't tell me anything to help me figure out how many offices there are. There's 20 executive, but I don't know about how many non-executives. So now what we do is we put both clues together, and that's not going to work either. There's no information given about offices except for that 20 executive offices. But there's nothing given about non-executive, so there's nothing works. So your answer is E.